Hello everyone, let's practice our English. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. What do you like to do in your free time? That's cool. I like reading books. I read every day. I enjoy reading adventure books. They are really exciting. Do you play football often? That sounds great. Do you watch football on TV too? I don't watch football much, but my brother is a big fan. He always talks about it. Yes, I like cooking. I enjoy trying new recipes and making delicious food. What about you? What kind of music do you like? Yes, I do. I like pop music as well. I also enjoy classical music when I'm reading. No, I don't, but I like to learn the piano one day. Do you play an instrument? Wow, that's awesome. Maybe you can play a song for me sometime? Um, Actually, I like drawing and painting. It's very relaxing for me. Everyone can learn. Maybe you can try drawing with me sometime. Great, we can plan something soon. It's nice to share hobbies with friends. It was nice talking to you too. See you later. Hi, how is it going? I'm good too. What do you like to do in your free time? That sounds fun. I love gardening. I spend a lot of time in my garden on the weekends. I grow flowers and some vegetables. I have roses, tulips, tomatoes, and carrots. Yes, it is. It's also very relaxing. Do you have any other hobbies besides cycling? That's cool. What games do you like to play? Not really, but my brother loves them. He plays every day. I might give it a try. Besides gardening, I also like baking. I make cakes and cookies for my family. I love baking chocolate cake. It's my favorite. Do you like to cook or bake? That's a good start. Cooking is a useful skill. What else do you like to do? That's awesome. Do you catch a lot of fish? I agree. Spending time in nature is always nice. Do you ever go hiking? That sounds wonderful. I like hiking too, but I don't do it often. I'd love that. It's always more fun with a friend. We can plan a trip soon. Me too. It was nice talking about our hobbies. See you soon. Bye.